Most developers never realize they can join a table to itself until they face a real hierarchy problem. Let's explore self-joins. The most common use case for a self-join is querying employee-manager hierarchies. Imagine you have an employees table where each employee has a manager who is also an employee in that same table. You need to find each employee's manager name, but both pieces of information live in one table. Other examples include organizational trees, bill of materials in manufacturing, and referral chains in user systems. A self-join works by joining a table to itself using table aliases. You treat the same table as if it were two separate tables by giving it different names. Here's the syntax. The select e.name is employee, meters.name is manager, from employees join employees meters, one.manager, id equals meters.employee id. Notice we use aliases and meters to distinguish between the employee instance and the manager instance of the same table. The key relationship is that a foreign key in the table references the primary key in that same table. In our example, manager id is a foreign key that points back to employee id, which is the primary key. This self-referencing relationship is what makes the self-join possible and meaningful. There are two important considerations. First, you must use table aliases to distinguish the two instances. Otherwise, the database won't know which columns belong to which reference. Second, decide between inner join and left join. Use inner join if you only want employees with managers. Use left join if you want to include top-level employees who have null manager ids, like the CEO. Self-joins let you query hierarchical relationships by joining a table to itself with aliases. Master this pattern and you'll handle organizational structures with ease. Practice with Interview Mentor. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.